Hi everyone. Did you know you can introduce a crayon to your toddler as early as 1 year? Before you know it, your child will be ready for school and will be holding the pencil for the first time. So how do you wake up those tiny finger muscles in those little hands and get them ready for their day-to-day activities, including holding a pencil? A toddler does not grip a crayon like this. They grip it this way along with their entire palm, which is called a palmar grip. And that is why Dabble crayons are chunky and easy to grasp and easy to color on paper. Explore your baby's favorite song. Wheels on the bus go up and down. Wheels on the bus go side to side. Wheels on the bus go bumpity bump. Wheels on the bus go round and round. And through this, your child explores different shapes, lines and circles, and also understands cause and effect. Let's make dots, dot, 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 and allow them to respond. Use it to communicate. How does daddy go to office? And this is how language develops in your little one. Give them a really large canvas. A toddler does not have the motor skills to draw on a small piece of paper. And finally, remember, spend 10 minutes every day consistently with art and play. And this also helps you to build a bond with your little one. Happy dabbling!